Okay, so let's talk about this Amazon glueless wig. This is a 24-inch balayage. I guess they call it a balayage, but to me it's just like a highlighted wig that's been pre-colored. Balayage has more of an ombre. This is more of like a highlight and low light situation. This is from, like I said before, Amazon. She does retail for about $240, and I did see a coupon on Amazon so you could get some little money off of it. You feel me? It did come in 2 days for me, and you can't be mad at that. All right. So this is the packaging. It did come with some tape, and it came in a little curl body wave texture. And she is cute. You feel me? And I'm the type of person, when it comes to spring and summer, I love like brown tones on me. So I just want to start showcasing the brown tones for the spring and summer season. Okay, so this wig is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-styled. You can just go ahead and put these on, but you know me, I'm going to tell you that you do need to wash your wig. So I did wash mine off camera, and I straightened it off camera as well. So I am going to go ahead and use my makeup to make sure that the lace match my skin tone. I am reusing Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. I like to mix both of the colors, and this is a cream to, I think it's a cream to powder foundation. I don't know, but I just know that it really works well with my skin tone. So if you're anywhere near my skin tone, this will be definitely a good color for you to try. Now, off the rip, putting her on, the lace is melting. Okay, it is melting, and it looks good. I really didn't even need baby hairs on this, but I'm gonna pull the baby hairs on out. You feel me? But look at it, just off the rip, it's blending into my skin tone. So it's like they plugged it a good enough amount, amount. You could go in and plug a little bit more if you want to. That's your prerogative. But how much they plugged already is perfect for a good blend. But the makeup and whatever type of like melting, well, not melting, but like makeup or color to use to tint your lace back matters. You have to get a good color for you so you can have that flawless look. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and pull down my baby hairs, and I'm gonna use Spritz to lay them down. Like you do, I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. So once the baby hair is laid down, I am going to go in with my pressing comb and make sure that the front of my hair is perfect. I do like to use my wax sticks with some spritz to just, put a little bit of product on there just to make sure that it's laying right. When it comes to straight hair, I love my hairline and the top of my wig to be super flat. Like, I just love it. So that's exactly what we're going to do right here. These little curlers come in very in handy. Okay, you need these. These are on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below in the description box for you. I think they were only like $19. Very affordable, and especially it helps when it comes to curling your baby hair or like styling them after you wash them. Typically, I like to mold mines before, because I like to take pictures of the wigs before I wear them. But you definitely need the little curlers or the little tiny flat irons. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like And after I make sure everything is hot combed and everything is in place, I am going to take a little bit of that Spritz sprayed on my hand and put it on the top of my wig, because there are a little bit of flyaways and I just want to make sure that the flyaways are down. My only critique I would say about this wig right here is I would have loved this if it was even more thicker than what it is. This is a good density. It's a very natural density, but I would like it thicker, and I would have liked the gradation of the black to the actual highlights to be a little bit more gradient instead of it just being blunt like that. Other than that, I think this wig is very, very perfect. It's, especially if you are a new person and you want to try color for the first time, this is a very affordable wig, and you will get definitely the bang for your buck when it comes to this particular unit. And again, she is glueless. You do not have to use any products. As you can see, this is completely glueless. I didn't use sprays or glues, no, nothing. Okay, so you can wear these glueless. If you are interested in this wig, I will definitely have this Amazon wig linked down below in the description box. And until next time, bye, best friends.